Today a quick video on how to check if your cable is secure in here. That trunk latch can sometimes get stuck because the cable moves and then the ball at the end of the latch won't release. And the only way, if it doesn't work, you got a drain valve in the bottom there and you got to put a rod through there to get up under here and move that safety latch over to release it. So the cable is behind here. We're going to take this panel off here, and on the right side is where it's attached to the frame of the lid, and we just want to make sure that it's going to be secure. So that's the goal today, to make sure that it's tie wrapped in place so it can't move. Because if that cable can move in there, then the pin moves in that latch and it won't release. And as you can see, if you've got stuff in your trunk like I do, you're not going to be able to get a rod up there to release it. So if it gets locked, you're in real trouble where you can't get it open. So let's get started. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 plugs to remove, but because they're difficult to remove, I decided to just start on the right side and remove 3 of them. And sure enough, 3 of them will allow you to pull this down, and there's the problem. So yeah, it's in its clip right there, the cable that we're concerned about, and with the yellow markers on either side. And we're just going to take a tie wrap and put it around that clip to secure the table so that it can't slide in there. It's pretty stiff right now, like it doesn't want to move. But we'll just make sure that it doesn't move with a tie wrap. Here's what it looks with the tie wrap on. You want to use a very small tie wrap, and there's the tip of the tie wrap there, but it comes back. I'm not going to stick my finger right in there because it'll change the focus, but I'll move the camera in and you can see how that tie wrap is on. It's going around the clip to hold that clip snug on the cable. You go diagonally and it'll allow it to slip. So that's all you can really do. There is another hole on this piece here, but I think that piece moves, but there's a hole up under there where you could maybe get the cable tie wrapped to the frame, but I don't think it's necessary. This was pretty snug to start with, so I'm just going to trim off the end piece there with flush side cutters, and we're all done. We'll put it back together. It's all done. It only took 15-20 minutes. Use a small tie wrap if you're going to do this job, and if you have a tonneau cover, some of these tonneau covers, the rails only allow it to come up this far. It hits there, so you don't get good lighting into your trunk. So you can buy that's a light bar right there with a magnetic holder, you can see, and you can set it on motion only, so when you open your trunk you get some nice light into your trunk, because these lights don't get all the way into it. You can also get, you can see the black piece there, that's a holder for an air tag, and you can put it on there. It's a good spot to get good reception, and if someone steals your truck, hopefully you can locate it before they find it beeping. You can also open those things up and take the speaker out so they don't beep. At any rate, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, you can give it a like. If you want to see similar videos of this or fixing things up around your house, subscribe. Have a great day.